कोई कफर
अरे ABCD
आमचे गोय आमकाजी
ABCD
आमचे गोय आमकाजी
कितुलारे पायला
जय कन्या कोई कफर Keep going in the ground.
हाँ भाई इधर ही हूँ इधर फॉरेस्ट हाँ वो लेके आया मैं उधर से मैं उधर अटक गया उधर वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में
अभी प्रोजेक्ट को ग्रांट दिया 18,000 गार्ड का
अभी इधर पहुँचे फॉरेस्ट
ऑलरेडी ग्रांटेड तो दे आर सेइंग 3 days
हाँ अभी पहुँचा मैं कर रहा हूँ
High Court has given the
It was put by the people from that area. Tomato project, no? So don't kill them.
ओके ओके मैं बात करता हूँ ना ओके भाई मैं थोड़ा वीडियो लेता हूँ बाद में बात करता हूँ ओके भाई भी मैं उसको भी हूँ
boy
ये कौन है?
Dear sirs, we, the youth of Goa, in order to protect our future, request that the clearances given for the three linear infrastructure projects in Mole National Park and Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary, the widening of the NH4A highway by the PWD, the double tracking of the railway line by Southern Western Railways, and the laying of a 400 kV transmission by Goa Tamnar should be immediately stopped. As forest officers, you are already aware that the youth, along with the scientists, doctors, lawyers, architects, veterinarians, and so many more, have been sending numerous representations citing the irreversible damage of destroying Mole National Park and Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary, which is Goa's largest protected area and part of a global biodiversity hotspot. At the same time, the Goa State Action Plan for Climate Change has asked for comments on this draft from the general public. Our one and only submission is the protection of Mole National Park and Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary is the best climate action plan. The findings of the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, clearly shows that the Western Ghats makes us resilient and will allow for a better adaptation against the effect of climate change. Apart from the importance of these 150 million years old forests, it is the lack of due process and scientific rigor when passing this project that needs to be urgently considered. The wildlife clearance are supposed to be based on the decision of the State Wildlife Board. The State Wildlife Board members have come out in opposition to all three projects. Further, 39 scientists have written to the Central Empowered Committee of the Supreme Court that the environment impact assessment has several flaws, and all these projects are passing through the same protected area, and therefore there should be a cumulative impact assessment study. With respect to the railway line, the Chief Wildlife Warden has recently claimed on national television that the proposal of double tracking within the Mole National Park and Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary was first made in 2016. The first proposal was in fact made in 2013. The Chief Wildlife Warden at the same time, Shri Richard D'Souza, categorically rejected the proposal on the grounds that it would damage the wildlife sanctuary and the national park. This opinion was endorsed by the Forest Minister Alina Saldana, and thereafter by the Chief Minister Shri Manohar Parrikar. Shri Manohar Parrikar himself. We would like to point this out for your reference that the file noting of the 2013 discussion appear on the page 2 and page 3, whereas the second proposal commences on page 4 onwards. Recently, on the 1st of December 2020, you will no doubt recall that several lawyers have written urging not to issue any work orders for tree felling. We echo this demand and urge the Goa Forest Department not to issue any orders allowing non-forest activity on forest land under Section 2 of the Forest Conservation Act 1980. Pursuant to Stage 1 clearance dating 29 April 2020 and Stage 2 forest clearance dated 19th November 2020 for the Goa Damnar project. As forest officers and holding true to the responsibility of your office, your duty asks for you to recall Section 29 and 36 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 that states that no such activity can be permitted in a protected area unless it is beneficial to the wildlife or the wildlife sanctuary. These projects do not benefit the sanctuary or the wildlife in any way. In fact, they are irreversible, destructive, and damaging. We request the Goa Forest Department to return these projects back to the Public Works Department, South Western Railways, and Goa Tamnar. As forest officers, we protect the forests of Goa by doing your duty to the environment, wildlife, and forest. Please recognize and remember that you all are standing for something that is bigger than each of us. You will not only be doing the right thing for our state, but we are doing it together to stop the widespread of destruction of our forest that matters to each and every citizen. By doing your job and truly stating to the mandate of your duty of protecting our forest, wildlife, and environment, you are not only serving your service well, but the people of Goa as well. This is from the youth of Goa.
Once more.
Father. Ball back.
All the youth, go there for pictures. All the youth, youngsters.
John.
Even they are penalized.
Yo, फाटी त्यांच्या सगळे फाटी त्यांच्या सगळ्यांक फाटी गेले
सगळे मेळना
हे गोय कोणाचे हे गोय कोणाचे हे गोय कोणाचे वयान तमका कोणसो नाका वयान तमका वयान तमका डबल ट्रॅकिंग नाका वयान तमका आमची झाडा आमकां जाय आमची झाडा आमकां जाय हे गोय कोणाचे हे गोय कोणाचे जिंकतले रे जिंकतले गोंयकारांनी जिंकतले जिंकतले रे जिंकतले गोंयकारांनी जिंकतले जिंकतले रे जिंकतले गोंयकारांनी जिंकतले BCCF and DCF clearances BCCF and DCF clearances BCCF and DCF clearances Forest Department of Goa Forest Department of Goa Forest Department of Goa जिंकतले रे जिंकतले गोंयकारांनी जिंकतले जिंकतले रे जिंकतले गोंयकारांनी जिंकतले We want our forest We want our trees
आमच्या गोय आमच्या गोय जिंकतले रे जिंकतले जिंकतले रे जिंकतले
ABCD आमचे गोय आमकां दी 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 कितलो रे फायदो 40 याद सरकार आमकां दाखयता फाट कितलो रे फायदो 40 याद सरकार आमकां दाखयता फाट कितलो रे फायदो 40 याद सरकार आमकां दाखयता फाट कितलो रे फायदो 40 याद सरकार आमकां दाखयता फाट अरे दिवचे ना रे दिवचे ना अरे दिवचे ना रे दिवचे ना रे दिवचे ना दिवचे ना रे दिवचे ना दिवचे ना रे दिवचे ना दिवचे ना एक दोन तीन चार आम्ही सगळे गोंयकार एक दोन तीन चार आम्ही सगळे गोंयकार एक दोन तीन चार आम्ही सगळे गोंयकार 1 2 3 4 एक दोन तीन चार आम्ही सगळे गोंयकार 8 9 7 8 तुमची आम्ही सैन्य फाट 1 2 3 4 आम्ही सगळे गोंयकार 5 9 7 8 तुमची आम्ही सैन्य फाट मन की बात मन की बात गोवा वाले साथ साथ मन की बात मन की बात गोवा वाले साथ साथ मन की बात मन की बात गोवा वाले साथ साथ मन की बात गोवा वाले साथ साथ अरे ओ गोंयकारा आयकून घे अरे ओ गोंयकारा आयकून घे अरे ओ सरकारा आयकून घे अरे ओ सरकारा आयकून घे मन की बात, 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 आमका जाय, 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 दिवचना रे दिवचना, दिवचना रे दिवचना, दिवचना रे दिवचना, दिवचना रे दिवचना, सोडचना रे सोडचना, सोडचना रे सोडचना, सोडचना रे सोडचना, सोडचना रे सोडचना,
झाडा पेडा रवया रे, झाडा पेडा रवया रे, झाडा पेडा रखिया रे, झाडा पेडा रखिया रे, अरे झाडा पेडा रखिया रे, ओले ओले रखिया रे,
मन की बात, 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 मन की बात
बाइट दिलं तर बाइट दिलं ते हो बरं नको ती बाइट घेऊ दे हय तो जाणार एक हय हॅलो हॅलो नाही लाईन नको करू पार्किंगवरती सेकंड फेजवर पार्किंग हां त्याला बोलवलं होतं ना तर तो दे डायरेक्टली बाइट दे 5:30 वाजता
मन की बात रोल और
ये रोज का है इस बंदे का। रेडी।
सो सगळ्याच्या युथाच्या नांवान आमी द प्रिंसिपल चीफ कंजर्वेटर फॉरेस्ट ताका मेमोरेंडम दिवपा येयलें. No work orders and send proposals back to user agencies of forest land diversion within and outside Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary and Mollem National Park. जितले क्लियरन्सीस दिलो आहाय ते परतून रिवोक कराय म्हणून आमचे मागणे आहा. आमी आमचे यूथ सगळे being the conservator of forest, he needs to listen to us and he needs to conserve the forest. Hopefully he will stand with his words. Hopefully he will react in a positive way.
तो आज किती दिवस झाले तुम्ही कंटिन्यूस एजिटेशन करीत असाल? कंटिन्यूस तुम्ही एजिटेशन करीत असाल, सो एनी इम्पॅक्ट हॅज बीन झाला?
यूथ सद्या क्लासीसाकू लागून मातशें फाटी येवपा आसलोले, बट स्टील वी हॅव अ लॉट मोर देन दीस. तांकां रिस्पेक्ट दिता येयलाय म्हूण आनी जायतीं येतलीं आहाय आमचे बरोबर यूथ. सो फिजिकली प्रेझेंट जातलीं. इफ आमगे डिमांड्स आहाय ते आयकनाय, वी वील गॅदर इन लार्ज नंबर्स. दॅट इज फॉर शुअर.
लास्ट प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स तुमच्या एका युथान सांगलेलें दॅट वी वॉन्टेड आन्सर्स फ्रॉम द चीफ मिनिस्टर.
येस.
They wanted to speak to the chief minister. Today the chief minister said that I don't have a problem to talk to them. Appointment घेऊन जाता. I'm ready to talk to them. So would you take an appointment with chief minister?
I'm not sure if the chief minister has seen our video. We have specifically asked to revoke the projects first, and then we will have a discussion.
No, because your youth have said we are not getting answers from the chief minister.
Yes.
That's why I'm saying.
We are ready to have a discussion, but first, please revoke the projects.
How many days you are giving to the government? Because from so many days people are doing the protest.
How many days did the government need to pass these projects? So we are asking for an immediate action. Otherwise, the youth are ready to come out on the streets.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, all the press members and to every person out here, on behalf of the entire youth of Goa who is standing right here, and every community who is here, from Gorsa Airport to Anga Gorsa Naka, to all the committees out here, a big thank you for joining in hands together as one big united Goan family in saving Mollem for the love of Goa. And also to the press, every person out here who is recording this, documenting it right now, thank you so much. The only request we have is to reach out these voices as much as possible, and we hope and we pray that some sense is knocked into all the politicians who are behind this to take faster action, and that our Mollem can be back us again. Thank you so much.